Before you apply for that next job with your resume,
Professional resume, athletic and special skills resume, and Dwight Schrute trivia.
or your portfolio, I need you to add this, because this video application I'm about to share with you now is a secret that nobody is sharing. I've not seen anybody talking about this on YouTube, and I want to share it with you. This video application technique I'm about to share with you now is the secret sauce that will land you your next remote job. So if you've been applying for jobs, you've been applying to clients, you've been pitching to clients with zero results, I need you to stick around, like this video so it can reach a wider audience. And hi, my name is Mfon Akpan, the Mfon Akpan. I help you learn profitable digital skills and get paid online. Subscribe to the channel if this is your first time here. And if you're a returning subscriber, I am grateful for you. Let's get into it. Now, the regular way you apply for jobs, or you see a job post online and then you just wipe your resume and then you send. You apply, you wait, crickets. You keep going around this circle every single time. You have been doing the traditional way and it's not working for you. I need you to try this new thing. This is something I teach my students in the VA simulation program, right? It's called a video pitch, a video application. Now, I'm not talking about your regular elevator pitch where you just, oh, my name is Mfon Akpan, a this, a that, I have detailed oriented. Know what I'm talking about? I am talking about you actually showing your work instead of just telling. I'm going to show you a practical example using one of my students' a video pitch. Now, before you rush to that place, I need you, I took permission from her, by the way, to post this video or to add the video. And if you are an employer, if you're a business owner watching this, hire my students. My students are the best. Send me a message on WhatsApp. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Now, if you are a freelancer, if a virtual assistant watching this, don't rush to that video pitch. I need you to first answer this question. What kind of skill do you provide? What's your service about? Who is your target audience? Do you have a portfolio? Housing? Those mock projects? If you've been on my channel, you're my digital neighbor. I know you have this. I know you have this. Like, there's no way you watch my videos without having all this checked. If this is the first time you're coming across my video, I greet you. According to happiness on TikTok. If this is the first time you're here, I need you to answer these questions. Have this checked, right? Let's say you have all these things ready. The next thing you want to do is to write your script. Write your script. The things you're going to be talking about. This is something I teach my students in the VA simulation program. Write down your script, right? Everything you're going to say, write it down. Now, you're not writing it down because you want to sit down and be talking like this while talking head like this, what I am doing. No, you want to make sure you have everything in your head written down. You write down your intro, how you're going to start a video. You write down the project you want to highlight in the video. Now, another thing is, this is your first video pitch you're going to create. So it's okay for you to make it generic about all the things you have created. Just highlight maybe 3 mock projects or 3 client work that you have done, right? Subsequently, when you're applying for jobs, let's say somebody need a social media manager or a graphics designer, you can now send a custom video pitch tailored to the job description, to the pain points of the client. I hope you get what I'm talking about, okay? I'm going to come back to this. So you want to write your intro, you want to write out the project you want to highlight and the way you want to highlight them, and your outro, your CTA. What do you want to use as your CTA, call to action? Is it a discovery call? Is it to DM you? Is it to send you an email? What do you want to use as your CTA? You have that written down. Now, whilst you are writing your script, I would advise you to sit down and write it. Like, what do I mean sit down and write it? Write it from your head. Sit down and write it. Like, oh, this is something I'm doing myself as well. I tell people that I don't share what I don't do. When I tell you to do something, I am doing it. I teach my students how I use ChatGPT. Yes, I don't just go to ChatGPT and copy and dump. No, I don't. ChatGPT doesn't give me generic answer because, number one, I'm going to share one of the ways I do that. I write out what's in my head, all my ideas. Don't make it fancy. Forget grammar, forget English. Just write everything in your head. Write it out. You can now take it to ChatGPT to structure it for you. So I need you to sit down and write your script. Like this video I'm filming now, I'm not using any scripts. You can see my laptop is off. The only thing you will see here is the title of the video, period. Right? So I need you to sit down and write everything in your head, how you want the intro. Why am I asking you to do this? So that you will sound human. You will not sound like a robot. There are people who are professional in using scripts, right? They can script from A to Z. Use that script in a video and you will not know. If you're not a pro, you will not know. But you as a beginner, I don't want a situation where you just read, and it's
I'll help you streamline operation in your...
Don't do it. So sit down and script your video. Once you are done with that, you can now take it to ChatGPT to structure it for you. So you are done scripting, you're ready to film. During filming, I don't want you to sit down and be reading scripts that you have scripted. The fact that, first I should script everything out, then I'll read it. No. You can go through the first sentence. I'm trying to look for a book I can use here. My bookshelf is over there. You can go through the first sentence. Hi, my name is Mfon Akpan. I'm a social media virtual assistant. Let's say that's the full sentence. I don't want to crack my head anymore. So you can go through that. Hi, my name is Mfon Akpan. I'm a social media virtual assistant. Now, I don't need to worry about you looking at your script whilst you're reading or trying to get the information. That is where editing comes in. So, hi, my name is Mfon Akpan. I'm a social media virtual assistant. You go, hi, my name is Mfon Akpan. I'm a social media virtual assistant. Now, this is about you speaking to the camera. Now, when it comes to how to keep your phone, if you are posting it on Instagram, you can really, these rules are not set in stones, right? You can keep your phone like this. I'm currently keeping my phone like this to film. Yeah, this is 16:9 dimension for YouTube. Excuse me. You keep your phone like this and you will get what you're seeing now on the screen. But if you keep your phone like this is Instagram, Reel, for TikTok. It depends on you. These rules are not, I don't want to tell you, you have to film like this or you have to. So let's say you are done recording your video. The next thing you want to do, you want to go to where you've housed your mock project, right? And screen record. You can use your laptop, your computer, go on YouTube and Google OBS. OBS is what I use for my screen recording tutorials. You can use OBS to record your mock projects. Now, if you're recording a 9:16, if you're keeping your phone like this to record, you want to use your phone to screen record so that you're going to use this recording as your B-roll. When you are editing, use InShot to edit. This is the video I created on how to use InShot to edit for free. Make sure to remove the watermark. So you want to include it. Once you are done recording, you've done recording the video, the talking head video you created. First, you cut all the the goofy parts where you are laughing at yourself, all the mistakes. When you are looking at your script to read and then present, you want to cut all those things out to make it smooth. The next thing you want to do is to add your B-roll. It's called B-roll, it's called overlay, it's called picture in picture, PIP. PIP. I'm looking at my mic because I do not trust you. Don't go off anymore. Don't go off again. So you want to cut all those things out and then bring in your screen recording. When you are saying, this is what I did for ABC, you are showing it on the screen. You are not just telling, you're not just talking, you are showing what you have done. Now, the next thing you want to do is to upload that video. You can either upload it on YouTube as unlisted, or you can upload it to your Google Drive and share the link. Whether you're applying on LinkedIn, whether you're applying on Upwork, create a customized video tailored to the client's need or problem. Don't forget this. Now, let me show you a typical example of what I've been yapping about. Let's play it.
Hello there. I'm Marilyn, a virtual administrative assistant, and I would like to take you through some of my work. I organized this inbox for a church organization, clearing unwanted messages and applying the necessary labels. Let's take a sneak peek into my email organization process. Voila! And we are done. If you're struggling to come up with content for your social media, I can help you develop a content calendar that aligns with your goals. I have a few screenshots of some audio to text transcriptions I made for a client. If you need such a service, you know who to contact. I also provide calendar management, data entry, and customer support services. I often use Trello for my project coordination. I've had the privilege of working with Futures Kwame. His testimonial meant a lot to me, particularly when he said, "I will wholeheartedly recommend your services with an A1 recommendation." With results like this, I'm confident I can deliver similar value to you. Can you reach out to me via the details displayed on your screen? Thanks for watching.
Immediately you are done watching this video, I need you to go create your video pitch. If you're someone like, oh, Mfon, I've always wanted to join your coaching program, the link to join is in the description and the pinned comment. If by the time I post this video and we've started with it already, the link to join the waitlist for my digital course is going to be in the description and in the pinned comment. I will see you in this video next.